In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and switch to manual CPC in Google Ads dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can take full control of your bids. Manual CPC, or cost per click, lets you set your own max CPCs instead of relying on automated strategies, which can be helpful when you want tighter control over spend and testing. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard. From here, look to the navigation and click Campaigns. This brings you into the section where all your campaigns are listed. If you land on an overview, click Campaigns again to switch from a summary view to the full campaigns table. That ensures you're working in the right place. Next, locate the specific campaign you want to modify. If you manage many campaigns, scan the list carefully and pay attention to campaign names and statuses so you don't change the wrong one. You can sort columns to make it easier to spot what you need. Once you've found it, click the checkbox next to that campaign. This selects the campaign and unlocks bulk actions in the top toolbar. With the campaign selected, click Edit. A menu of available actions will appear. Choose Change Bid Strategy. This is the control that tells Google Ads how to bid in auctions for that campaign. You'll see a section labeled Choose a New Bid Strategy. Open the drop-down arrow to reveal the available strategies. From the list, select Manual CPC. This switches the campaign away from automated bidding and into a mode where you decide the maximum cost per click. It's ideal if you want precision and prefer to test bids incrementally. Just remember, with greater control comes more responsibility to monitor performance. Once Manual CPC is selected, click Apply to confirm your change. Google Ads will save your new bid strategy for that campaign. Changes typically take effect quickly, but performance adjustments can take time to show in the data. Keep an eye on key metrics like clicks, cost, and conversions after the switch so you can fine-tune your bids as needed. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened Campaigns, found the right campaign, selected it, chose Edit, picked Change Bid Strategy, selected Manual CPC, and clicked Apply. If you ever need to revert or test another strategy, you can repeat these same steps and choose a different option from the drop-down.